Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today we are going to start our new lesson. This video is for grade 5. Take out your books. Know Your World. Know Your World book series. Each book contains a table of contents mentioning the unit to study. It also gives an overview of the objectives to be fulfilled by the various contents of the book. Content review and going further exercises are given at the end of each unit. Text and image strikes the right balance. Now move on to our first unit, that is the earth and the environment. Looking at regions. First, read out the paragraph. Regions are areas that have common features. All countries of the world can be divided into regions based on different characteristics. A climatic region is an area that has common climate. For example, a climatic region or a cold climatic region. A region can also be based on physical features. For example, areas with mountains are classified as a mountainous region. Dividing large areas of land into regions helps us to better understand them and their special characteristics. Pakistan can be divided into the following regions based on physical characteristics. Here is a map and a key is given to understand you. Now red key shows mountains, for example, in the northern areas. A blue key shows plateaus, for example, the Potohar Plateau. Yellow part shows desert, for example, in Sindh and Balochistan. Green part shows plains, the Indus Plain. Here is the Indus Plain. Delta in Sindh's coastal area. Now find out in Sindh coastal areas. Now first, what do you understand by the word regions? Region means that it comprises areas which have common physical features. That is, for example, large areas whose most prominent feature is mountains would be called a mountainous region. Similarly, the areas where plains are located will be known as plains region. It helps to divide large areas of land into regions in order to study them. Have a look on this map, which it shows some physical features. Mountainous region in Nepal and Pakistan. Now where is Pakistan? Mountainous region in Nepal and Pakistan. Here is Nepal and here is Pakistan. Sahara Desert in Egypt and Third Desert in Pakistan. Now move on. Indus Plain of Pakistan. There is Indus Plain of Pakistan. And Gangetic Plain of India. Plateau region of Iran and Pakistan. Now Indus Delta, Nile Delta and Mississippi Delta. Indus Delta, Nile Delta, and where is Mississippi Delta?